गीत नहीं गाता हूँ, बेनकाब चेहरे हैं, दाग बड़े गहरे हैं, टूटता तिलस्म आज सच से भय खाता हूँ। गीत नहीं गाता हूँ, गीत नहीं गाता। लगी कुछ ऐसी नजर, लगी कुछ ऐसी नजर, बिखरा शीशे सा शहर, अपनों के मेले में मीत नहीं पाता हूँ। गीत नहीं गाता, गीत नहीं गाता। फिर ये विश्वासघात की कल्पना है। पीठ में छुरी सा चांद, पीठ में छुरी सा चांद, राह गया रेखा फांद, मुक्त के क्षणों में बार बार बंध जाता हूं। गीत नहीं गाता, गीत नहीं गाता। लेकिन परिस्थिति बदली, मनस्थिति बदली। कवि ने कहा कि मैं लिखूंगा, और कवि ने लिखा, गीत नया गाता हूं, गीत नया गाता हूं, टूटे हुए तारों से फूटे वासंती स्वर, पत्थर की छाती में उगाया नव अंकुर, झरे सब पीले पात, कोयल की कुहुक रात, प्राची में अरुणिमा की रेख देख पाता हूं। गीत नया गाता हूं, गीत नया गाता हूं। इसका अंतिम है, टूटे हुए सपने की सुने कौन सिसकी, टूटे हुए सपने की सुने कौन सिसकी, अंतर को चीर व्यथा पलकों पर ठिठकी, हार नहीं मानूंगा, रार नहीं ठानूंगा, काल के कपाल पर लिखता मिटाता हूं। गीत नया गाता हूं, गीत नया गाता हूं।
Yes, you guessed it right. He is none other than our former Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Atal Bihari Vajpayee was an Indian statesman who served 3 terms as the Prime Minister of India. He was a member of Bharatiya Janata Party. Vajpayee authored several books of both prose and poetry. He was conferred Padma Vibhushan in 1992 and India's highest civilian honor, Bharat Ratna, in 2014. He died on 16th August 2018.
Good Governance Day or Sushasana Divas is observed in India annually on 25th day of December, which is also known as the birth anniversary of our former Prime Minister, Mr. Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Good Governance Day was established in 2014 in India to honor Mr. Vajpayee.
Government and governance are two very similar words and people are often confused about the differences between the two. Government is a group of people who run or rule the administration of a country. On the other hand, governance is the act of governing or exercising the authorities.
Are you familiar by the term good governance? Let me tell you about it. Good governance is the process of decision making and the process by which decisions are implemented. Thank you.
The United Nations say good governance is conscience-oriented, participatory, following the rule of law, effective and efficient, accountable, transparent.
The different forms of good governance between government and markets, between government and citizens, between government and private or voluntary sections, between elected officials and appointed officers.
On the Good Governance Day, the number of initiatives have been taken by the government, like the launch of Atal Bhujal Yojana, naming tunnel under Rohtak Pass as the Atal Tunnel. It is the world's longest tunnel, and the launch of Good Governance Index.
I'm here to speak about good governance. Good governance promotes community confidence. It encourages elected members and council officers to be confident. It leads to better decisions.
Mere good governance is not enough. It has to be pro-people and proactive. So, according to Mr. Narendra Modi, good governance is putting people at the center of the development process. Thank you.
Indian National Congress has criticized the ruling Bharatiya Janata Party government for both setting good governance
Governance Day on the same date as Christmas, as well declaring this date as a government working day, questioning the secularism of the nation.
Let us also have a look at bad governance. Bad governance includes inefficiency, administration, corruption, secrecy, lack of transparency, lack of accountability, unfair policy, etc. In short, the opposite of good governance is bad governance. Thank you.
Let's celebrate this December as a token of love, humanity and unity with the legend Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Let's grant our gratitude towards our corruption-free government this December. Let's appreciate our government for maintaining transparency in decision making with its citizens. Atifla family wishes you all a happy Good Governance Day and a Merry Christmas. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Angelina David Chinappa. We have moments that we want to remain forever, and for you to experience what we learn at Little Flower High School. The talents we showcase, the thoughtful ideas that we bring, and the treasure memories are now for all to see and cherish, bringing to you our own YouTube channel, Little Flower High School, www.youtube.com. Now you can watch at anywhere and at any time, but do not forget to like, share and subscribe.